Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I have this Lego 464T tank engine steam locomotive. So let's get to it. So it basically took not very long to make. Starting at the back, we have a light ladder, the couplers, the thing where they put the water, the coal, the roof cab with a green door, and these windows at the front. Then we've got the ladder, firebox, air compressors, and a bunch of different tubes and stuff, the steam domes and the funnel, and like a water reservoir or something. Then the steam goes from the piston through here, and and there's like air compressors and whatnot. This is the whistle. This is another compressor thingy. This is the bell. These would just probably connect to these or something. Then we've got the light at the front with the vents and stuff and railings, and the whatever that's called that used to be on older steam locomotives and stuff. Basically the same on the other side, just a little different. It does run switches and curves. And also, here's a Lego minifigure to show the scale. And also, this specific locomotive is based off one from a Roblox game, Saratoga and Western. I built it yesterday. Not much else to say about this locomotive. So I guess that's gonna be it for this quick little video. I'm not exactly sure what the next one will be. So, see y'all in the next one. Bye.